Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create a clean professional Instagram carousel post using Canva. It's super simple, and yeah, by the end, you'll have a multi-slide design ready to publish on Instagram. So first, you'll want to open Canva and pick the right size. Search for Instagram post and choose the square format. That's usually 1080 by 1080 pixels, which works perfectly for carousels. Now go ahead and add several pages, like 5 or 6, depends on how many slides you want. Just hit the Add Page button. Each page becomes a new carousel slide when you export. So, next up, choose a theme or layout. You can grab one of Canva's templates or build your own. Try to keep it consistent. Same colors, same text style. That makes the whole carousel look more professional. All right, now design each slide one by one. You can add headlines, small descriptions, icons, photos, whatever fits your topic. Keep each slide simple, because people swipe fast and don't read heavy text. And here's a neat trick. Make the slides connect visually. For example, use overlapping shapes or a long background line that stretches across multiple pages. It gives the carousel that smooth sliding effect. When you're done, head to the top right and download everything as a PNG file. Make sure all pages is selected so you get every slide in the carousel. And that's it. Your Instagram carousel is ready to post. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.